earth, earth, eye, eye, eye. Okay. Now what is this? Egg, 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 egg. Okay. Now we will see what comes after E. It's a F. E. What comes after E? F. F. The sound of F is. The sound of F is. Okay. Again we have F. Okay. F. Fish. F. Fish. F. Fish. F. Foot. F. Foot.